Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to see the code for the modulo task in GeeksForGeeks tutorial for Python. Now let's read the question. Given an integer n, find an integer k for which n modulo k is the largest. So here we have two examples, and here n is equal to 3 is the input, and we are doing the modulo for all the numbers lesser than 3, that is 3 modulus 1 and 3 modulus 2, and among this 1 is the greatest number, so we have to return the value of 2. And similarly, here we have n is equal to 4, and here we are taking the modulo for 1, 2 and 3, and the highest number here is 1 among the resulting values, and here we have 3 as the divisor value, and so we are returning 3. And now we have the task. You don't need to read input or print anything. Your task is to complete the function mod task, which takes an integer n as input and returns an integer k for which n modulo k is largest. And here we have the expected time complexity, and here it is big O of 1. So since it is only big O of 1, we should not use any loops or any multiple statements. We should only use a single line of statement that directly gives the result. So we are going to do return n floor division 2, and let's give this inside a parenthesis, and we're going to add 1 with this. When we use for loop for this question, it will also give the resulting value, but we cannot achieve this with the expected time complexity. Hence, we are going to give only one statement. And now we are going to do a floor division of n with 2, and that number will be added with 1. This is the code for the modulo task question. And now let's compile and run this code. The compilation got completed, and now let's submit this. So here all the test cases got cleared. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.